Hello there everybody, I hope everybody is doing well. I'm recording this video on 27th of January. Today I've got 4 picks to share with you, and let's start off with the first one. The first one is going to be Eli Lilly. It's a pharmaceutical company, and you can see the screen, and I got some entry, stop, and target areas. So entry will be at 115.11, stop will be at 113.95, and the target I expect to be 117.43. So it will be risking one risk unit to make 2 risk units. Okay, so the stock pick is issued today. Moving on to the second pick, it will be AFL. As you can see, the entry will be made at 47.65. Stop will be at 47.40, and the target would be at 48.15. Again, this is 1 risk unit versus 2 risk units reward, and this will be a long trade, that is buying the stock. I forgot to mention, for Eli Lilly also it will be a long trade as well. Moving on to the next now. America runs on Dunkin'. That will be our third pick, Dunkin' Donuts. It will be a long trade as well on a 2-hourly time frame, and entry can be made at 69.60 with the stop at 68.85, and the expected target is 71.10. Moving on to the next. The last one for today would be another pharmaceutical company, Bristol Myers Squibb. Can't say it correctly. Let me try. Bristol Myers Squibb. That's the name of the company, also known as BMS. And this would be a short trade. I think this is the first short trade in my series. So far, all the picks I issued were long trades. This one is going to be the short trade. So you're going to have to short sell this, not buy. And the short sell entry would be at 48.70, and stop would be at 50.60, and the expected target is 44.90. So that is all I got for today. Let me just show you the tracker before we end this video. Right now you're looking at the tracker. You can see all the trades that I just talked about. Let me see. Eli Lilly, AFL, Dunkin', and Bristol Myers Squibb. So all the details are here. And let's see how it unfolds starting tomorrow. Just as a reminder, this tracker worksheet is available for download under this video. So look for the link below. And also, just as a reminder, this is just for illustration purposes only. I am not telling you to buy or sell anything. It's up to you to decide what you want to do. Whatever you do is up to you. I'm not asking you to do anything at all. I'm just sharing with you, what I find interesting for educational purposes only. You can just read the disclaimer over here. So I just want to make sure that you understand that. All right. And thanks for your time. I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye now.